Hey there YouTube, here's my kitty cat. It's gonna storm, and I'm grateful for that because we need some rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain! Hopefully it doesn't rain again. Are you sure you don't need help? Okay. That was my neighbor. He's trying to fill up the pothole so it won't flood. This car accidentally hit the pothole. Yeah, this is the good evening video. Otherwise, a beautiful evening, but not for long. He's just filling that big hole. There was voice chat with my friends, telling them what's been going on and what I plan to do. First things first, I gotta get me a gaming laptop so I can do some art for a few people, my friends, and maybe make my YouTube a professional so I can do live streaming, maybe play online with a few of my friends. Well, I'm gonna use one of those mouses that you use on desktops, because on laptop, no, not gonna happen. Yeah, I don't, yeah, when I get the laptop, I'll be doing longer videos. Well, I gotta try to get one of those camera things so that I can, do longer videos. Well, at least the car will be washed off. Huh, never mind. Yeah, I also like to be called Lightning. That's my code name. I don't like using my real name. Not until I can trust someone on Discord or YouTube, but... Meow meow! Hello? Meow meow? Meow meow? They like to hide in there. Meow meow? Meow meow. Meow. I see you. I see you peeking. Gotcha. If I had a lot of storage, I'd be doing like maybe 15-minute videos. The max I got was 1x15, which took a while to upload. Yeah, the lights are starting to come on. I'm becoming more confident to show where I live at, but I'm not showing the address. That's the #1 rule. Yeah, when I get better equipment recording, I'll be able to show you what I really sound like, because this doesn't do that very well. And you'll be able to see much better in the darkness. What the heck? If I saw lightning in the corner of my eye. Just that way. But there's no dark way clouds that way. If you saw in the video, let me know in the comments below. Around this time, around 5 minutes or something seconds. Oh, that light just turned on. I'll show you how bright it is. And tell me, would you be blinded if they turn it on where you're standing underneath it? I'll get closer so you can get up close and personal. Is that bright? Let me know in the comments below on this one too. I will see how that one turned on too. Let me know in the comments below on the two things I asked you to comment about. See you all later. Bye.